my name is Chris, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use one of the library's digital resources, Hoopla. What is Hoopla? Hoopla is a free website that you can use to check out several types of digital content, including eBooks, e-audiobooks, TV shows, movies, and more. Hoopla is a great resource for e-comics and music as well. Borrowing an item on Hoopla is slightly different than borrowing a physical item from the library. There is no limit on the number of patrons that may borrow the same item. This makes Hoopla a great option for checking out popular items or for book clubs or groups. In Hoopla, each patron is given 25 borrowing credits per month, and they automatically reset at the beginning of each month. Usually, videos from Hoopla will be checked out to you for 3 days. Music albums are checked out to you for 7 days. And ebooks, e-audiobooks, and e-comics are checked out to you for 21 days. Items are automatically returned on their due date, and you can choose to return an item early, but this will not impact your borrowing credit total. 24 hours before an item is due, you'll be given the option to renew it. This extends the loan period and uses a borrowing credit for that month. How do I log in? In the browser of your choice, search for hoopladigital.com. When you go to hoopladigital.com, you will see a space to enter your email and password in the upper right corner. Your email and password will be the same for both the Hoopla app and the Hoopla website. You can also choose to have your login information remembered on your device, or to request a password reset if you have forgotten your password. If this is your first time using Hoopla, click on Get Started Today to create your free account. Enter and confirm your email address and desired password. Click Next. On the Choose Your Library page, search for and select Skokie Public Library. Click Agree. Now, enter your library card number. You can find your account number on the back of your library card under the barcode. How do I find and check things out? To browse the collection, you can click Browse in the upper left. This will open a drop-down menu where you can click the type of material you'd like to view: audiobooks, music, movies, comics, ebooks, or television. You can choose to see recommended, featured, or popular materials. You can use the options on the left side to further filter your results. You can also select categories to browse a specific genre or topic. To search for a specific title, you can use the search bar in the top center of the screen. By default, this will search everything. You can narrow your search by clicking the arrow next to everything and selecting a content type: author, people, categories, publisher, or series. You can also click on words Advanced Search beneath the search bar for more detailed search options. Once you have found a title you would like to borrow, click on it. You will see additional details about the title, including the rating, length, and description. Beneath the title and cover image, you will see options to favorite, borrow, or share the title. You will also see the user rating and the loan period for the item. When you click Borrow, a pop-up will list the loan period and ask you to confirm whether you want to borrow or cancel. Click Borrow to finalize the borrow. How can I filter content? On the upper right corner, you can click the word Kids to enter the Kids mode. A check mark will appear indicating that Kids mode is on. When the mode is selected, only content that has been deemed family-friendly by Hoopla will be shown. This mode is designed for kids up to age 12 and includes content rated G and PG. When you browse in this mode, a blue banner near the top of the screen will remind you that you are in Kids mode. You can toggle Kids mode off by clicking the word Kids in the upper right. You can also turn Kids mode on and off from the settings page. To do this, click the gear on the upper right of the My Hoopla page to open the settings menu. Note that when you log out, Kids mode is automatically turned off when you log back in. When Kids mode is turned off, you can use the filter options to select Children's Titles Only. This filters only that page rather than the entire app. How do I access materials I've checked out? Click My Hoopla in the top left corner of the screen. You will see the number of borrows you have remaining, your currently borrowed titles, titles that are recommended for you, and your favorite titles. You can click the play button on the cover image to instantly open the title, or you can click on the text to open the page, similar to what you saw when you borrowed the item. The borrowed button will be replaced with a read, play, or resume button, depending on the material type and whether you've previously opened it. How do I navigate eBooks? For ebooks and e-comics, you can click the arrows on each side of the screen to move forward, right, or backwards, left. You will see 4 icons in the upper right-hand corner. The double T icon, TT, allows you to adjust screen brightness, font, text size, and other aspects to give you an easier and more enjoyable reading experience. The magnifying glass icon allows you to search for words within the book. The hamburger menu icon allows you to find chapters, bookmarks, and highlights. The icon in the far upper right will allow you to bookmark your page.
How do I navigate e-audiobooks? When listening to an e-audiobook, you will see the cover of the book on your screen. Just above that picture, there is a hamburger menu that allows you to add a bookmark, view your bookmarks, change the play speed of your e-audiobook, or set a sleep timer so that Hoopla will automatically stop reading aloud after a certain amount of time. Below the menu, there is a bar that shows you the amount of time you have read at the far left and the amount of time you have remaining at the far right. Below the bar, there is a start/stop button and 2 icons that will allow you to rewind or jump forward in your e-audiobook.
How do I navigate music? Once you download a music album, you can press play, and the album will play in order. You can also scroll down and individually select songs to play.
Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy using Hoopla with your Skokie Public Library card.